Getting rid of a unibrow can be simple and easy. A unibrow is when the hair between your eyebrows grow together. All right, here's some ways to fix it. Number one, tweezing. Okay, I used to have a unibrow, not anymore. This is when you use small pliers called tweezers to pull out the hairs. You can pluck the hairs between your eyebrows one by one. This method can last a long time, but it might hurt a little, but that's the best way. Then there's waxing, but you might miss and throw everything off. Waxing is when you spread warm wax on the hair and then place a cloth on top, and then you pull the cloth off and it takes the hair with it. Waxing can keep your skin smooth for weeks. Number three, you got shaving. You can use a small razor to shave off the hair. This is quick, but the hair might grow back fast and thicker and you don't want to do it. Number four, hair removal cream. Some creams can dissolve the hair, so you need to be careful and follow the instructions to avoid skin irritation. Number five, visit a salon. So if you're unsure about doing it yourself, you can go to a salon. Professionals can help shape your eyebrows and remove the unibrow safely. Whichever method you choose, just remember to be careful and keep your skin clean, all right? Nobody wants a unibrow, I know. I didn't want my own anyway, I understand.